I have in my hand the Tamiya Catalogue 2026. And I'm going to film it page by page. So as you know, every year when I get a catalogue, I film it page by page. I film it in 4K, so you should be able to see the pictures and the details really crisp. Just go to the settings tab and click 4K, which is above 1080p, I think it is. And also, there will be music on it, obviously, because videos are boring without a bit of bed music. If you don't want to hear it, just turn the volume down. But you've got the opportunity that if you see something that catches your eye, just press pause. Because I do turn the page roughly every 4 to 5 seconds. Anyway, here it is, the Tamiya Catalogue for 2026. always said the best thing about Tamiya catalogues is that the pictures are the model built in some sort of scenery, diorama, and the modelers that they have building their kits are fantastic. Not a lot to really add to the catalogue. There's a few paints that they've added. Of course, you've got the new tank that they've announced, the pack gun as well, and of course there's the top. Sorry, what was it? The Tomcat. Top. And but yeah, it's in English, French, Spanish, and German as well. But I get them every single year, and unfortunately it's just taken a few more weeks to get to the UK, because Jadlam only got them in on Monday, and then by the time I paid for it, and then delivery, it came this morning. So I thought I'd film it for you guys so you can have a little look. I do wish Tamiya were a bit ahead of the game so that these catalogues end up in like January time, February time, but it never happens. So Tamiya, if you could fix that, that would be brilliant. Anyway, what's your thoughts on the catalogue? Obviously, leave them in the comments box below because I do reply. Anyways, did you like this video? Give it a like. And if you're not a subscriber yet, click subscribe, ring that bell, click all to be notified when I release a new video. To subscribe to the channel is free, completely free. But just like these channel members here who financially help me with this channel, if you'd like to become a channel member, just click join below and select which membership tier you so wish. And in one of the four corners will be a video or a playlist of other content on my channel you may like. And hopefully I will see you over there.